This is a 2009 Buick Lucerne. It features a 3.9-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, a clean non-smoker interior. Its top features include an air suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Planet Toyota is located at 5540 Auto Court in the Madison Auto Mall. Visit us online at planettoyotaonline.com.